Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to teach you some more things about the HTML5 canvas. So what I'm going to teach you in this class is basically going to the notepad and I'm just going to make another canvas, duplicating this and just pressing an inner line break to just making our code readable, and I'm just making this canvas full. Okay, that is fine. The next step I'm going to do is to make the complete JavaScripting, which is actually the part of the canvas, which is really necessary to do to achieve the targets we want. So by the way, the point is what do we need to do? Here you can see that the width is 200, 200 and 500 and 500. The next one has the width of 500. So no problem if they has 500. Going to the browser and refreshing the page. Okay, it's looking cool. And इसको if I just make it little small and just make it 450 and 450 because it was going a little down. Refresh that now, zoom in. This is looking perfect actually. Why not I just make it 450? No, it should be 250 500, because here you know that I just made the x and y for 250 250, so that's perfect. I'm just pressing it in. Don't forget that whenever you see the heading type things, that means something new is starting. So in the same way, creating a quadratic circle, something new you are going to learn. Or this is actually not the complete you can say not a circle, you can say the curve, or you can say the arc, or whatever you want. First of all, what we just need to do, we just need to make a new variable. I'm just making c4 equal to document, because I'm just going to get the data from the document dot get element by id, and here canvas 4, and then just press enter, and then here the c4x equal to, sorry, the point, or equal to for now, c4 dot get context, just making it context now. I just want to say something, and now just save it, go down, go inside and make it 2D and press enter, and now c4x point. First of all, I need to apply the function of line 2. Oh, no, line 2 actually move to, you know, we use the line 2 when we are ending the line. This is a starting point of a line, this is the ending point. Actually we are making a curve, not a complete circle, so it has both things, the starting point and the ending point. But for the ending point, we're not using the line 2, we're using another thing which is really necessary to make the curvy line. You'll be learning that thing soon. The next one is c4x dot quadratic curve. C must be capital, you know, to. Okay, that's perfect. I need to put the parentheses, you know, just press enter. Need to take a next step. I'm just making the c4x dot stroke. Okay, that's covered. I'm going there to the top one, and you know what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the begin path for now. c4x dot begin, p must be capital because this is a rule. You can see that all the camel style, we cannot apply. We actually, this is also the camel style, but it has no second word, so it's not looking like that. So by the way, we done the quadratic curve 2, spelling must be clear, not cover, actually curve 2, the move to, and the begin path. Now we just need to make the line for now. First of all, 0 and 0. Okay, what is this 0? The starting point. The complete move to means starting point of a line, of a curvy line, and this one is the x and this one is the y. Okay, I just want the curvy line to start from the not from the 0, or this time, okay, start from the 0, and where I'm ending it's or actually from the top, is starting from the left, or you can say the x in x way from 0, and top from the 0 2. Now I'm just going to the curve area, the quadratic curve 2. Here I'm just putting 0 comma 0 comma 0 and comma 0, you know. Now if you just go to the browser, we just put it the 0 0 and 0, all of them 0 0, so refresh that, we got nothing. Now we need to put something here. For example, if I just put 10 10 10 and 10, now save, and now go to the browser and refresh that. I got a simple line here, you can see But to make it this line a little big, I'm just going back, and if I just put here the 50, 50, and 50 and 50 and save it now. Oh, the last one is not 50 yet. Save and now refresh that. I got a big line little. I'm just making this 150. Okay, 150, 150, 150, and 150. Now save and now refresh. Now we got a very straight line. It's starting from 0, 0 from left and 0 from top. If I just put the, for example, 50 from top, so save it now refresh that, you can see that it's starting from 50 from top and ending to 150. But the problem is, why there are not only two values? This one is a control point x, control point y. Okay, and why not I just make the variables here too? C4 is starting point. Oh, it can be confusing, a lot more confusing. So C4x, okay, C4x equal to value, I'm putting 150 for now, comma, C4y value again 150, then sorry, CP, CP means control point. Okay, control point means CP. C4 ending point, ED, ED means ending point, EP say EP means ending point, ending point X equal to 150, and C4 EP, C4X, C4 CPX, okay, so yeah, 5 well, equal to 150. Now I'm just gonna clear you, or for the better one, why not I just write completely to not you making confused. Control point X, control, I'm just typing the complete because I just don't want to confuse you, ending point X, and the ending point. Now what the mean of that? The control point X is this one. I'm just gonna copy that and paste this one. Control point Y is the next one. Don't forget that the comma is really necessary. Okay, you can put this space to clarify, or just copy the next one. This is not necessarily copy, you can simply retype that. That's fine. Now the control point X means the central points. We didn't create the central point yet completely. We created, but we just didn't see the central point because we just didn't make any difference. This is, you know, the curvy line. So curvy lines has two controls. Okay, this line has two control, and ending point means the last point. This one is the ending point. So I think the thing is clear. And now what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna put some values here and there. Actually, I'm just typing 150 and saving, and now refreshing this. Now this is straight, and I just want 100. So save and now refresh. Now this line is got a little center, and just go to the notepad, and here I'm putting, not there, actually there, to the ending point X to be 250, and refresh that. Now ending point X is increased, and I just want it to be increased around 350, and save. Now that's good actually. So this is actually in a center now. Now what I'm just doing, I'm just typing 250, refresh that. Now you can see that it became curvy. Why? Because all that points, including control points, are on 150, and I just made this 250. This is a Y point, you know, Y point. X points just to stretch. The ending point X is and the starting point X and the ending point X is just for stretching the line, okay, and increasing the height, increasing the length of the line. But these points, the Y points, are actually able to turn the line on and off. So by the way, we just made this 250, so now we can see that it became there. Now I'm just going to the ending point Y. This is the ending point Y. I'm just making it 250 again and refreshing that. You can see that the both points are on the same point. You can notice that both points are on the same point, a starting point and an ending point. Both are 250, but the central points, or you can say the control points, these are the control points. There are two control points. I'm just adding here to the control point X. I just want to change the point, the control point place in a XY a little more. You can see that now it became central, looking beautiful or no. Now I just want to make it little top, so I'm just removing one. Now it's only 50. So refresh that. You can see that it is stretched to the top. It goes to the top, the central point. I think this is really, really simple to understand. Nothing here to do any effort.